And the altered scale is a mode of the melodic minor scale. And it's built root, flat 2, flat 3, quote, flat 4, flat 5, flat 6, flat 7. So in other words, everything is a flat. And built into it, you have a root, a third, and a flat 7. So it's perfect to get these very altered approaches to dominant 7 chords. Then we get to what the real book lists as E7, sharp 5, sharp 9. And this is a moment where I strongly prefer to think of this as E altered. In fact, I find it very annoying that the real book would write in these very specific comping options, what should be up to the improviser. In fact, I kind of want to grab the real book. I want to say, who do you think you are? I'm a human being, you're a book, don't tell me what to do, you do your thing, I'll do my thing. If we think of it as E7 altered, E7 sharp 9 flat, whatever they have written is an option, but so would just E7 flat 9, E7 sharp 5, flat 9 with a flat 6. All of these things will work, we just need an altered E7 chord. So anytime that I'm really studying a song and really looking deep into it, I build a map, and I say the same thing to my students, that you should build a map. On the guitar, for me, a lot of it comes down to comping and what chords am I actually thinking about. So for instance, in the beginning, if I've got this B flat to this A7, if I'm thinking about playing the chords that way, then I would improvise around those actual shapes. I wouldn't just simply play this B flat if I were thinking of this one.